Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today's video is a Friendship Day special video. So we are going to make this very beautiful multi-purpose stand in which friends are holding their hands together, and it is super easy to make by using plastic bottles. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. It is totally optional to add details by using ribbons, half-cut beads and rhinestone, and after adding these details, it completes our project. Let's have a final look. I hope you all love this super easy and useful craft idea. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Also subscribe to Flying with Art. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.